When you first get your DEH-3300UB installed, you're going to want to take a few minutes to go through the initial setup process. Let's take a minute and we'll walk you through it.
When you first have your DEH-3300UB installed, it's a good idea to go to the initial setup menu and set some basic parameters for the head unit. To get there, you want power to the radio, but turn the radio off. So press and hold the source key for a couple of seconds till the radio powers off. Now press and hold the multi-control button for a few seconds till you get into that menu. Here we're on clock set. We can set the clock here or turn the dial. We get auxiliary on and off. When we switch auxiliary on, auxiliary will appear in the source list when we press the source key. If we have the auxiliary turned off, auxiliary is taken out of the source list. Turn again, we get to USB. Right here it says USB is turned off. That means if we plug in a USB memory stick or an iPod, it will not automatically switch to that source. If you want USB to switch automatically to the source when you plug in a USB memory stick or an iPod, change this to on. Next on the menu is subwoofer control. The subwoofer control will determine whether the rear speaker outputs or the RCAs are playing at full range or if they are playing at the crossed over frequency for a subwoofer. So for example, if I enter into the subwoofer control, right now this says my rear speakers are playing at full range. If I want to change that, I go to my pre-out, and right now that is selected to subwoofer. If I press that button, I can change my pre-out to full range or back to subwoofer. Select the button again, and I can change my rear speakers to full range or to subwoofer output. Next, if we turn the dial, we get to the demo mode, on or off. Many retailers use the demo mode on their display board. When you have this in your car, you probably want to have the demo mode turned off. Next on the list is scroll. This is information such as RDS and text from your iPod or a USB memory stick that will show song and artist information. If it's longer than what fits on the screen here, it can automatically scroll.